Us to Koh Chang Waterfall in Koh Chang. So we are just headed out from our hotel on the main street just to try and find a taxi. And it should only be about 100 baht to get there. I think we found one. And it was 150, not 100, but he did want 200, so we got a little bit cheaper. So it should only be about 10 minutes until we get there. Got here and it's 200 baht per person to get in, so I've just got our tickets and then all that's fine. So they have got little shops and restaurants here as well if you do want to drink before or after you go up, and they also sell food as well. Probably not the best idea to wear Crocs going down here, but it's now at like the very bottom of the waterfall. Again, very rocky. Look at all the fish. I don't go in waterfalls because they're full of fish. So they are sorrow carp fish apparently. So there you go. And we have arrived. It took about 15-20 minutes I think, the walk. And here it is. It's got to the deep bit and Kyle's just going to go in for a swim. I am not going in for a swim because we came here last year and there was a snake in the water.
Wow.
There's fish. So I'll be photographer on the shore. Waterfall done, so we're now just on the walk back and it should be another 20 minutes or so. So did you know that Koh Chang is actually a rainforest? Yes it is. Isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It's a rainforest. And that is a Koh Chang Waterfall done.